Hey YouTube, just showing you guys all the casualties that I had. Had a drive shaft and brake off in the SCX-10 Honcho. So it is front wheel drive. Wraith. I turned off the remote and the system was still on, and it sent it flying, and it got caught up in my pants. Like, it got twisted up like that with the tire in there, and smoke started coming out, and it was burned up. So gonna need a new motor or whatever. Stampede, I shredded a tire, like the inside. Instead of having a hex anymore, it is a complete circle. So, got a lot of casualties. And of course, today's the day it's snowing. Yeah. I'm not totally sure what's up with this drive shaft. I'm not sure if I lost the pin or what. So, yeah. Pretty mad about all this, but I have more tires for the Stampede in the box. So, should be okay. Okay, so see ya. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.